Sri Lanka is considered one of the world's biodiversity hotspots, home to a rich variety of flora and fauna, many of which are endemic to the island. This biodiversity is a significant driver of animal-based research in the country, with researchers studying a wide range of species to better understand their ecology, conservation needs, and potential for medical and scientific advancements. Sri Lanka is a country with a rich cultural heritage, and animals like elephants hold a significant place in Sri Lankan culture, not only in religious practices but also in the country's history and traditions. Even though Sri Lankan culture is deeply influenced by its predominant religion, Buddhism, it is a multicultural society with a rich tapestry of ethnicities, religions, and traditions, which further enriches its cultural landscape. Ahimsa, a Buddhist and Hindu teaching which promotes compassion for all living beings, encourages people to minimize harm to animals and all sentient beings. For many Sri Lankans, this philosophy extends beyond humans to include animals, with an emphasis on kindness, respect, and avoidance of unnecessary suffering. Lab animal research and Sri Lankan culture may sometimes come into conflict, especially when considering religious and ethical principles that emphasize compassion for all living beings. However, with thoughtful regulation, transparent scientific practices, and respect for cultural values, these two areas can coexist, ensuring both scientific progress and animal welfare. According to Buddhist teaching, the intention behind an action is more important than the action itself. If the intention is rooted in compassion and aims at reducing suffering or benefiting all beings, the action may be considered morally acceptable. Therefore, a scientist who conducts research with the intent of benefiting society, improving human health, or advancing knowledge while minimizing harm to animals can be seen as acting from a place of good intention. SLALAS, the Sri Lanka Association for Laboratory Animal Science, was founded by Professor Mangala Gunatilaka following the success of the certificate course in Laboratory Animal Science, which began in 2011 at the Faculty of Medicine, Colombo.
Since its establishment, SLALAS has been at the forefront of promoting ethical practices and animal welfare in laboratory animal science in Sri Lanka. Through initiatives like the annual certificate course in laboratory animal science started from 2013, SLALAS trains scientists in responsible animal use and advocates for the 3 R's: replacement, reduction and refinement, by introducing alternative models such as zebrafish, the C. elegans and Drosophila. SLALAS also offers specialized courses on topics like animal nutrition, pain management, and the prepare and arrive guidelines. In addition to educational programs, SLALAS engages with undergraduates and young researchers through competition and outreach activities. The association also collaborated with national institutions such as the National Science Foundation to establish guidelines for the care and use of animals in laboratory-based research and promote good practices across Sri Lanka.
The Sri Lanka Association for Laboratory Animal Science were established in the country, and there we provided some very crucial role by doing collaborative work with the association. So actually we provide various skill development programs such as we do animal feed formulation, nutritional work, sometimes anesthesia and analgesia workshop. Other than that, we train them to do animal handling in a proper manner. We train technical staff attached to various universities to perform laboratory animal research in disease-free status. We train them on how to manage laboratory animal colonies by cleaning cages, providing clean food and water to them, and regular health monitoring and reporting to the veterinary staff.
MRA Animal Center comprises units such as animal breeding, infectious animal experiments, non-infectious animal experiments, laboratory animal feed production, and large animal areas. Its long-standing collaboration with SLALAS ensures that researchers and students have access to top-tier training and hands-on experiences, creating foundation for future scientific innovation.
Sri Lanka Association for Laboratory Animal Science is delighted to join the Asia Laboratory Animal Day celebrations 2024. We are happy to say that we have planned several events to join the celebration. We are proud to participate in this important event that highlights the crucial role of laboratory animals in scientific research, as well as the commitment to promoting the ethical standards and advancing scientific knowledge. We sincerely hope that this day serves as a reminder of the responsibility we share in ensuring the welfare of the animals used in research, and we look forward to furthering the dialogue on the best practices and the continued advancement of alternatives in the field.